I'm Tony and welcome to Howden Sewage Treatment Works, where I'm going to talk you through how we treat the sewage and also how we treat wastewater sludge. Here we are inside the primary treatment area where, after the raw sewage has been screened and degritted to remove any large particles, the sewage then enters the primary treatment area where we settle the layers of sludge, the raw solids to the bottom of the tank, where the top layer carries on throughout the process to the next area of treatment. Following the primary treatment of the raw sewage, the top layer, which is still a bit too dirty to go into the river, comes up here to the activated sludge plant, where our special bugs actually eat the sewage and clean it up prior to it going into our final settlement tanks behind. This is the final stage of our activated sludge process, where the treated effluent overflows from our final settlement tanks and enters safely into the river. Following the processes on the sewage treatment works, where we take the liquid sludge from the bottom layer of the effluent, that is then sent to the dewatering facility behind, where we spin the sludge at high speeds to drive off and squeeze out as much of the water as possible to leave a soil-like textured cake product. These are the boilers which produce the steam to cook our sludge in our pressurised sludge process. The dewatered sludge from the previous process is then sent here, where it's cooked at high temperatures, similar to a pressure cooker at home. But here it actually kills off any of the harmful bugs and bacteria left in the sludge. The cooked sludge is then depressurised, which actually causes the sludge cells to explode before they move on to the next stage of the process. In the digesters, our bugs actually eat the broken down sludge. Whilst doing this, they burp and pump and produce the biogas which we use to run our engines on. The biogas produced in our digesters is then stored here in the biogas holders before it's then sent to the engines. The engines take the biogas produced by the digestion process and convert it into energy, which we use to power the rest of the sewage treatment works. Once the digesters have finished their job, the remaining sludge can then be dewatered to produce a nutrient-rich, bug-free biosolid which can be used in agriculture as a fertilizer.